Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing a Seiko. I haven't reviewed or unboxed that many Seikos on the channel. And I decided to kind of spice things up a bit and change that around and get on the Seiko train. The watch that I have in front of us today in the box here seemed particularly interesting to me because it's a chronograph, has a very cool looking dial, and more importantly, this costs $250, around that. And it features a sapphire crystal. Now, if you know your Seikos, they don't usually put sapphire crystals at around that price point, so that's why this seemed like a particularly good deal. Now, let's get into the box. That wasn't as dramatic as I thought it was going to be. There you go. Let's get into the box and see what we have here. By the way, I bought this off Amazon, so if anybody's interested, I will put this. I will put a link to this particular watch into the description box below, next to that subscribe button and to that like button, whatever that is. This will be reviewed on the channel very soon, and if you don't want to miss that, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And I don't know why everybody says helps us out, because it's only me that's reviewing the watches. But anyway, let's get into this box. So this is some paperwork which has my address on it from what I can see, so I'm not going to get into that. And that is from the supplier from where I bought it. Ooh, there you go. Now online, on the pictures on the website, the dial looked super cool. So the thing is that Seiko get a lot of things wrong, but they don't get a dial wrong, so that's why this looked like a very good deal. It's a very cool looking box. Put these Seiko manuals, these will come in handy just in case I need to sell this, which I won't, I don't know yet. Now, ooh, there you go. That looks super cool. I was expecting this to be a bit bigger, but it's not. Ooh, that is very nice. So the model that we have here is the SSC769P1. Sapphire crystal, you saw it here, guys. Water resistant to 10 bar. So brilliant. This is on a metal bracelet. So many stickers on it. I will peel these off and get back to you guys. But oh my god, this looks so good. This looks super cool, guys. Oh. And look at that dial. So you have this kind of honeycomb looking dial, and it looks like has a more kind of dressy vibe to it, but it's not. Also, I should mention, this is also solar powered, so it has a solar movement in it. From what I could gather, I don't have the entire spec sheet in front of me. This also has a 6-month power reserve. So this is actually very nice. I think there are a few dial variants. There's a red, there's a blue, there's a black, I think, but personally I kind of like this panda looking one. Oh, this is so nice. Also has a date version. Date window, didn't actually see that. Oh yeah, so of course something had to give. You wouldn't get sapphire crystal and solid end links, but these look pretty sturdy. They actually look like they're in pretty good. Ooh, let's peel off some stickers, guys. I will be right back. So try me, but if you remove this tag, you can't return me. I might actually not remove that tag. That is a very good idea. I'll actually put this on the wrist without the tag, because if this is not good, if I encounter anything after this review, after the unboxing, I might not be able to return this. So I'll have a better look on this thing before ripping that tag off. So I'll just put this on the wrist as it is. Quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Christopher Ward C65 Vintage Trident, and yes, I got the entire name right. And I have this on this blue Vario strap. Link in the description box below for the strap as well. This is such a beautiful piece. I feature this in my carte blanche watch video. I'll put a link somewhere for that if you want to check that out as well. This is so good, guys. Right, enough waffle. Let's put this on the wrist. And I think they do feature, so the Christopher Ward is 41 millimeters. So have a look at the size here, and I think this is 40. Ooh, it looks thick enough for a quartz movement, doesn't it? Oh yes, that looks pretty good. That definitely looks pretty, like that looks super good. Now, one of the biggest issues with this, from what I can remember in the videos that I watched in the reviews, was the fact that you cannot see the chronograph hand, and that is barely visible. Like, the chronograph hand is so thin. But first of all, I'm not going to be using this to time anything, and second of all, I don't really care because it looks good as it is, and I doubt that, like, that's probably the first time I'm going to push that button for the chronograph hand. And everything aligns. Very nice. Very nice. I'm actually impressed with this thing, guys. And I think their bracelet features a new pin and collar system from what I can remember. I'll have a better look in the instructions there. Let me see. They should give you, yes, so they give you this tool for the bracelet. Let's put this down for a second. They give you this tool for the bracelet and how to adjust the new link removal system, which is in this bag here. Now, I'm not going to get into this, guys. I'll probably, this will be put in the full review. Yeah, so it's like a clicking kind of. Yeah, that makes so much sense. I'm going to put this in the full review and I will explain how everything works in the review. I'm not going to get into that now because I will spend some time looking on at this watch and also sizing that bracelet. Get these out of the way, guys. So there it is, guys. That was my unboxing for the Seiko 7. Oh, sorry. Let me get the full name right. Not that it matters. SSC769P1. Stick around, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the full review for this beautiful Seiko. I will post it very soon on the channel. I'm actually impressed. I love this thing, and besides it's a chronograph, so I'll probably sound like a broken record at this stage, but I will be sizing this and I'll probably be putting this on a racing leather strap. See, that will look really nice. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to click a like, subscribe, and thank you very much. Bye.